happened? Oh, Jesus. Savage.
Ooh, a peacock.
All right, all I need is a clown for the slam. Pretty little dude, little male.
That's cute.
It is cute. You call my fish cute?
Oh. Good one. Oh.
There she goes. She's sucked up. Looks big. Big clown.
I never saw I had one jump yet.
Gonna jump again right here.
Think so?
Yeah. Hell yeah. Just big clown. I missed 2 clowns in a row, and Brandy jumps over in my spot. And what happens?
I had to get him because he
Got him on. Pretty good fish. Let's see, it's like a peacock. He's mad. No.
Not as nice as I thought.
It's decent. Get up. Like I. Nice job.
Is it? Oh, good bass. Decent one.
Not bad. Take it.
What is it, 300?
2.5.
2.5.
Say 2.5.
Nice job, Captain Bill.
Thank you.
Get up.
Got him on.
Look at the shad tail.
Shad tail in mouth. All right, peacock number 2 for her. Nice
Pretty one.
job. Yeah, it's real pretty. All right, so we're gonna have a quick knot tutorial from Brandy. Her knot of choice. I think it's a fisherman's knot.
I don't think it is.
She says no. So, but we're gonna let her tie it up here. See what it is.
I'm gonna grab it right here. Make a little loop. Make this go tight. And twist like 4 times. Come back through the loop. Pull. Lick.
Lick.
Always have to lick. And then cinch down.
Nicely done.
Yeah.
Quick.
And cut your tag. And then you're ready.
Ready to go for the next spot. All right, so far in the fishing challenge, it's tied up at 4. But Brandy has a lake eye to slam with the knife fish, the peacock, and the largemouth. So we're gonna make a move. We're gonna go pick up another guy. We're gonna go pick up John Asher. He always kind of makes things a little more interesting.
a big one. Yeah.
Best fisherman. Oh, I do.
It's a jumper, man. Nice looking bass though.
Hurry. Hurry, get the net. I thought it was a big bass.
It was so dark. It's so dark though. It almost looks like a bass.
I was like, what are you doing?
I was putting a rod down. Get the net.
Lunker.
Nice peacock. Nice job. Noodling plecos. Get him, John. Oh! Did you get him? Hey, nice. Hillbilly hand fishing with John.
Oh yeah, brother.
Let's see that disgusting beast.
Oh, they're so gross, dude. Oh, they're so spiky too.
They are. Hand caught Plecostomus.
I really do hate you. You hold on, just like re-grabbing him. Oh my god, you are so strong.
Very nice. Nice specimen.
Super nice.
Double XL pleco. Got it. Rip him.
Oh!
Yeah.
Oh!
Get the net, John. Got the net.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, Brandy.
Hi. Hi.
Got him.
Oh, and he hooked right in the corner of the mouth.
Awesome.